Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Now today in this video I am going to talk about IELTS speaking and Duolingo speaking as well. I have chosen one topic from IELTS which is the latest topic. Like we know that IDP has already started with its IELTS examination and therefore I have chosen speaking cue card of 2020, that is from June till August. So I have chosen one of the topic for the latest cue card, and on that only I'm going to talk about Duolingo speaking for 30 seconds as well. Now as far as IELTS is concerned, we have 1 minute to prepare our answer. So once we see all the questions, you have to study all of them and you have to prepare with one word answer for each of the questions, and then you can proceed with the actual answer. So I've already done that and I'm going to speak directly on the topic. So here I go. I'm really very glad to speak on this topic. Since my childhood, I have been surrounded by many elderly people who has always been supportive, protective and loving to me. That includes my grandparents too. But among all of them, I would like to talk about our neighbor Major Govind Singh. Currently, he is a retired army officer, but I know him since my childhood. He was the person who loved to play with kids and tell stories about the real fights at the border. Whenever he used to come home from his duty, I used to go to him and ask about his life while serving nation. I still remember when I used to burst so many questions. But the best part was that he used to listen to all of my questions very patiently and then answered all of them. I immensely miss those days. Today, when I recall all those days, I feel lucky because he not only taught me how to live life, but also made me learn the lessons of discipline, manners, and etiquettes. Presently, he is retired, but have not stopped himself from serving the nation. He is currently running NGO, where he helps the starving kids with food, clothes, and shelter. Even I take this as an opportunity and help him in serving mankind. I respect him from the bottom of my heart for being such a great personality, who has unconditional love for nation. His true passion to serve country is an inspiration for each and every youth. I really feel very blessed to have him as my mentor. And therefore, I deeply respect him in all the ways. He is a true citizen of a country. So here in my speaking cue card. Now we will be beginning with the speaking for Duolingo test. Now I have brought about minor changes in the questions. Like for Duolingo, you don't have to explain anything. The questions are really very direct. So as far as the Duolingo question is concerned, I have made certain changes and then I'm going to speak on the topic. So I have already prepared, I have already taken 20 seconds to prepare my answers and I will be directly speaking the answer. So let us begin. I'm glad to speak on this topic because here I'm going to talk about one of the important person who is actually my mentor. His name is Major Govind Singh. I know him since my childhood and he has been our neighbor. His nature is really kind, polite, and he's a very generous person. But this is for us. For his fellow men, he's a very strict army officer. Currently, he is retired from his job, but still, he has not left his love for the nation and love to serve the nation. He is running his NGO, whereby he is helping poor kids with food, shelter, and clothes. I like his personality because he has unconditional love. I still remember those days when I used to talk to him and asked him about the real stories, real fights that they had at the border. And amazingly, he very patiently answered to all my questions. I truly respect him from the bottom of my heart because of his nature, his passion towards to serve the country. All these characters makes him a unique person, and that is why I respect him. So here my Duolingo speaking ends. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video really helpful. If you like the video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. I will be coming up with more such speaking cue cards and Duolingo speaking as well. So stay tuned and keep smiling. Thank you.